The Quartz shower product of Aqualisa Company. Quartz offers a significant value proposition to market agents and participants through innovative technology and design that addresses any utility issues that may arise during the installation of showers in the United Kingdom. Plumbers gain much faster installation times due to a simple design that does not require excavation. Customers can utilize a product that combines the ability to increase water pressure and maintain temperature. Both can be managed with ergonomically designed controls. The Quartz shower eliminates the need for a mounted box in the shower by placing the controls in a location that makes the bathroom aesthetically pleasing. The Quartz shower is not selling due to a lack of customer exposure. The company does not possess enough brand awareness to advertise Quartz as a favored customer product. Therefore, the average consumer will not be aware of the product's benefits compared to others. Meanwhile, its premium price actively discourages purchases for a variety of market segments. Even though the product addresses common customer demands, the public is unaware of the price-to-quality ratio that Quartz offers. Furthermore, plumbers who have been determined as the primary driving force of product sales are reluctant to deviate from traditional technologies. Without first-hand experience with the product, Quartz's advantages do not justify the risk and expense of recommending it for installation. Despite its low sales and appeal to select individuals, Quartz is an inherently mainstream product if its claims of quality and operability are reliable. It is mainstream because it seeks to address everyday utility needs found in a majority of United Kingdom households. It combines efficiency and function in an innovative product that is beneficial to consumers, plumbers, and even property developers. Unfortunately, due to low sales, the development costs for Quartz have not been justified or recouped. However, it is critical to note that the product has only been on the market for a few months and as yet lacks the necessary consumer exposure and test of time to establish itself. Even if the product were to fail, Aqualisa as a company is financially stable. Developing Quartz has offered the company tremendous feedback on customer demands, the premium shower sector market, and access to innovative technologies that can be applied elsewhere. Aqualisa's strategy moving forward with Quartz should be focused on the consumer. The product, first and foremost, is meant to address customers' needs, but it is clear, based on anecdotal evidence, that plumbers will be reluctant to adopt the product until it is demanded by consumers. Therefore, Aqualisa should seek to overturn the system of plumbers recommending a product to households, instead putting consumers in charge of their renovation decisions. The company's association with plumbers should remain strong in order to provide necessary support and information if the adoption rate begins to rise, but representatives should not focus on plumbers as the angle of sale for the product due to evident reluctance and lack of acceptance of the technological components of the product. Therefore, direct-to-consumer advertising should be designed to clearly outline the benefits of Quartz as a universal solution to various plumbing issues while avoiding difficulties found in other shower types. This information should be essential, accessible, and easily comprehensible. The simplicity of installation, which is a costly and timely factor for a majority of showers, should be a primary selling point. Rawlinson's reasoning for pushing Quartz into the DIY market without lowering the pricing point significantly is, therefore, solid. Utility stores can be a much more extensive and cheaper method of showcasing a product and remain the second most abundant market segment in the United Kingdom. Advertising should be placed in popular media to allow a demonstration of the efficiency and aesthetics of Quartz's design. Specific demographics, such as women and youth who may favor premium showers, are best appealed to through visual media rather than technical data. Aqualisa should attempt this approach before lowering the retail price, although a slight discount is possible as a marketing technique.